So why you are waiting for me to do? Take it out. Full mark, anyone know?
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Yes, I can hear. Can you hear? Full mark, anyone got? 14 plus.
I got 14 and 1.
14 plus in both.
In one and polynomials.
Meaning in both of them, right? 14 plus in each.
14, 14. 15.
You got 14, 14.
I got 14 and 1.
14 and 1. 15 and 30. She got 15 in one paper. I've seen that in paper. Sit down, sit down. Aren't all of you now? Homeworks are done?
Yes.
Why?
So like last paper,
That you did not sleep. What was the homework?
1 to 5.1 to 6.
3.2. Down, all of you. Done the homework. Do this only. What is your? Why are you lot of places? Take you only one time and open now. Use two only. One line only. I forgot my graph. Homework not done.
Homework done, but
Where is it? You done. Graph is done. Where is the graph? What is this one line on? All graph done. That's all. We are waiting. Where is the graph? You have to down graph done. All graph. There's not a graph. After all, 9 pages to make sure. This is the password. Hey. Graph. Where standard? Then I answer homework done always sit quietly. That's why I wanted to change. Where is the homework? Standard. Today I just send messages to parents. Where is the graph? Standard. That is tomorrow is something different. Where is your? Huh? Yeah, graph, other graph, only one. Just taking this way. What is this question? What is the integration solution of? It's drawn all these line parallel to y-axis. Line parallel to y-axis, how did it connect x and y? Your graph shape once again. I'm not sure about your graph. So you had exams. That you did not do. Let's talk now.
So I will next to some.
Don't do. Graph.
Not a graph.
What happened to you? I will it. So practice at night also you're going to handle. Evening. So what after that? Today? Yeah. No. What happened? Conquer. You. Conquer. You. You also not that. What? The graphics are part of my dear. And yours? Again graph. Forgot. So these all people, I will send a message to your parents. Homework not done. We'll start today, no? Where draft. Try something about to read. So your graph I am not sure about. Your graphs are problem.
That's why I'm not read properly.
And you will be it is not. I'm not finding anywhere these type of graph. This is wrong. Because this is line is parallel to means there is no y. X is equal to something. There is no that comments are wrong. Check now your graph from the Atharva. What to do? You have used it down, we had exams. Only you are the only one exams, no?
Sir, even I had exams.
What exam you have?
Sir, MAS.
Huh?
MAS.
What is that MA?
Multiple assessment.
That who are all of you? Yours is what exam?
Only one, like the first exam, from like test one.
That is why you didn't do the homework.
No, I did the homework because it have equal. I can also have.
So second order.
I can also say I have exams.
So but you see your friend Kona done now. Yes. What to do? Messages go to parents. Homework is not done. Let the parents decide now. The annual day dancing is important and so on. There's no time after annual day dancing. Dancing only, na? Huh? So narration, what do you have to do over there? Speak on, memorize. Mark, how much you got? I know it. When the marks come, then I know there are. You know the one? Nice mark, no? Okay. So you have to work this way. Then what to do? Tell me, decide. Now today onwards, let's meet it up. I think I already announced the punishment. Homework not doing. I just hope. Forgetting. Equal, everyone she will also change out to forget. Everyone is equal, not she will language. I don't know. Next time onward, listen. Homework forgetting means or not done means the homework questions you have to do twice. For 2 times or 1 time. 5 times first. Then we see if those who are repeated offenders will be coming as can keep. You also. Did I do the other? Okay. All right. So condition for no solution. Wait. Condition for unique solution. Condition for unique solution is. All of you close the loop. All of you close the loop. All of you close the loop. Condition for dependence. Hey.
A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to.
Who is that? When I ask you, you will tell. Sit down. Consist condition for intersecting lines. Loudly. Huh? So, condition to coincident lines. Loudly. Sit down. Condition for dependent.
I was not there last time.
When you are not there, why what happened? That was the problem. What happened? Why you are laughing?
Monday I was
What
sick.
is the problem?
I was sick.
Huh?
I had headache.
You were unwell?
Yes.
You didn't go to school also.
I went to school and I came.
So then what to do?
So he knows I was sick and tired.
You knew that you were sick.
Sir, I cannot have any medicine at all.
You try to tell that you are unwell or you didn't tell. Okay. So you went to doctor.
No, I said that tired.
So do you think okay, right? So that If you answer me that what is taught, your friend only, did you ask him what he
I
taught?
asked him the homework.
He said, no, not nothing is taught.
No, I asked him the homework.
Which punishment you will write?
Yes, sir, he like.
Ah, yes.
I told you question number 1 to 6.
Ah, yes.
Very
They are 1 to 6 contain, these all contain now in the second parallel and so on. Is it or not?
Yes.
Ah. These also right complete. This is right condition. All the time. You did not tell.
Sir, I did not know.
Ah, you also said wait. That you are the everything you cannot last. Mark everything. Utkarsh, no?
Yes, sir.
So, how many times? 10 times, 5 times. Okay, fine. Now, next class I will ask all the again, not only for all of you. You should know. Renukala, no?
Oh.
Okay, Renukala. Yours, I'll ask you not. Okay, condition for consistent.
Divided by 2 is equals to divided by 2 is equals to sigma by sigma.
Or another way of the consistent. What is the meaning of consistent?
Divided by 2 is equals to divided by 2.
What is the meaning of consistency now? What is your consistent? One solution A1 by A2 is not equal to A1 by A2. Infinite solution also is a consistent. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C. Done. Okay. Sure. Okay. Dependent.
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C.
How many solutions are for linear equation in variables?
Infinite. Infinite solution.
Okay.
No.
Decide.
Infinite.
Sit down. You learn now. All of you right? 5 times enough. 5 is enough. 1 is enough. Take care. You both are in the same school?
Same class.
Same division and same bench only? Okay.
He's 59.
And he is 6. Or you can in here, he never opened his mouth to leave quietly. When I ask him only, he opened the mouth. So let's do the questions. So why are you not doing what experience is done? Look here, I have seen the papers and all. There are marks are there 3 marks onwards starting. I will bring and loudly announce the mark for everyone. You know the mark? Yes. You also know your mark.
I want to check first.
I think, but these things will not work this way. I'm telling you, I will call one by one. That's not people first have call the parents. I will call and ask the parents. If the parent is telling that they are not studying, this is not there. There is 9:30 because. Don't look at me. Mommy comes and she doesn't study. So right now, the mommy always says, then prove it now you are studying. Marks should be there now. Is it or not? Why you come over here? Just time pass. Get them. Show them, sir. I got. Then I can tell you. No, then if your mommy says you are not studying, then I will tell you. See the mark. Keep getting mark. So you prove yourself. Is it not? Check. We are not giving complicated ones. If it is okay, very difficult ones then. And that too we are not giving. These all actually we are testing only what you followed or not. That much only, not the real test. Real test is the final exams, final mock test and all. So that means you have to do it seriously, my dear people. Otherwise, it's a problem. Okay. Marks are not there means dear, your marks are not good. Good.
Sir, when will the online students get the marks?
You will come in now. You can check on the online itself. You will come in on the site.
I did not get to know on the site also.
Contact your madam, okay? Ranks coordinator, madam. They will tell you. Okay. Yeah. Listen, we were doing exercise. Which one? 3.2 is not over it.
No, sir,
6 plus 5 is done.
Yes, sir.
Area of the triangle done.
Yes, sir.
Shade the bounded region
Yeah.
and find the area. Half base into height and all we done now.
Yes, sir.
All of you know now. Now, yes or no? All of you know how to draw the graph and all. Then you have to practice little more. You are doing, it's not that you are not doing, but more. Okay, so that you will get perfect. Now, next question number, how many questions are there? 2 more questions are there now. Okay, read the questions. Ishani, 6th one.
Solve the system of linear equation graphically. X minus y is equal to 1 and 2x plus y is equal to 8. Shade the area bounded by these two lines and y-axis. Also determine this area.
There no need to draw. Wait, I tell you. See, look here, all of you. In last class also we are done. Suppose if this is the one, the line. So this is what line? Origin, x-axis, y-axis, x y. Okay. Now, if one line is this way, second line is this way. Then mark the points also. -1 or -3. Let's say it is 8. Okay. This is let's say as this is 4. Okay. This point is coming as 2,6. Okay, see? Now I will name the letters A, B, C, D, E. Okay, why I am drawing this one means there are different way questions will come. What is the area? What is the region or triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis? Raise the hand. What is the triangle formed by the Namita? EOD. EOD. This is which, do you know which are the two lines? It's wrong. Lines and the x-axis. Do you know which are the lines and the x-axis? Yes, Dia. B, D, C. How EOD is coming? What is EOD? EOD is this line and x-axis and y-axis. Understood or not? Okay. Hello, Utkarsh, listen here. Okay, stand up. What is which is the triangle formed by these two lines and the y-axis? Is there any triangle? If it's no triangle, then there is no triangle. Huh? Sir, BDC. BDC. You know which is y-axis? One, I'll come and slap you with you. Maximum excuse here. This is y-axis, and this is the triangle. Triangle formed by these two lines and the y-axis. BAE. Look at this is one line. This is second line. This is the y-axis, which is the triangle. How BDC is coming. This is BAE. Understood, all of you? Okay, no problem. Okay. Sit down, sit down. What is the area of the triangle ABE? Area of the triangle ABE. Can you getting or not getting? It's not difficult, easy. Sarvesh, no, not getting. Carl, you tell what into what? No, you know, cancel.
Half into 4 into 2.
Half into 4 into 2, so half I will cancel 4 will come now. Then this much cancellation. Half into, sit down, all of you follow out. This is the base. Height will be this one. Okay, this is how much? 8 and 4 means 8 minus 44. Otherwise, you can count the number of squares are there. And this is 2. How did you get these 2? These 2. This is 2 is coming. Are you followed or not? Half into 4 into 2. Followed or not? The other side. Okay, Priyanshi. What is the area of the triangle formed by area of the triangle BDC? What into what? That's it. What do you? No need to write the name. What into? He said no. That way it will. Why? 5 is wrong. Oh,
20 into 6 into 11.
11, this is 8 and this is minus 3. 8 minus 3. What is 8 minus 3? 11. 11 is coming and this is 6. Have you followed all of you? This is 6. That is half into 11 into 6. That is equal to 33. Okay, this is 6. Are you followed all of you? Then you may get another question. Find the ratio of the area. Ratio of divide and divide. All of you followed. Identify and you do. This 6th question. All of you know what is to be done? What are the things to be done? Who read the question? You read. Okay, what all things are to be done? First you have to solve the system of equation graphically. You know how to draw? First you draw both the lines where it is intersecting. That's the solution. Then what is the second condition we need? State the area.
Bounded by these two lines and y-axis.
That means this way the shape, this region. Then third one is area of the triangle. All of you can do now. No need to do. Some other day I will ask you people. Let's see how many of you remember. Okay. Now, later I will ask. Not now. Some other day. After sometimes you remember or not. I will come. Okay. Ria, are you following? Okay. Then read the question number 7. You are the comparing and all now.
Draw the graph of equation 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. And y plus 4 is equal to 0. Obtain the vertex of the triangle so obtained. Also determine its area.
So you have to draw. This we are going to do it now. You have to draw the graph. Okay. Take the full graph paper because it's sometimes you need the full graph. Okay. Now, start. Coordinates find out. Let me find the coordinates. First one. Which is the one? 2x minus y minus 2. 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Want to tell how to find out?
So we can put y on it.
Take y to the other side. So it will come as 2x minus 2 is equal to y. That is y is equal to 2x minus 2. Make the change. Try to find out simpler ways. Table mate. And second, right, fast, don't waste the time. 30. I'm over for the first one. Graph table mate now. Directly I can write out the x. X, y. So x is equal to 0, y equal to minus 2, x is equal to 1, 2 minus 2, 0, x is equal to 2, 4 minus 2, 2. Finish the first one. Second one is what? 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. You know how to do now? 3y is equal to 24. 24 minus 4x or y is equal to 24 minus 4x divided by 3. Find out, table mate. Huh? Second table mate, third table mate.
So I put x.
You do and you will get. Well, anyway, this is not okay. Let's get the solution now. Put the values x, y. If you put x equal to 0, 24 minus 0, 23. That is a 24 by 3 is 8. Then keep on add 3. That is x equal to 3. 24 minus 12. That is 12 by 3, 4. Then again add 6. 0. Got it? Quick. Third one. What is that one? Y plus 4 equal to 0. That's very easy now. So how do you make the table? Y equal to minus 4. How do you make the table? How do you make the table?
So
Y will always remain as minus 4. So write minus 4. Again another minus 4. Another minus 4. You can put any value over here. Okay, 3, 2, minus 1. Anything you write. I just put 3. Here we should put. Take the table and remember by drawing this triangle should form. Otherwise, I'll make it will do the graph. The graph, make the full graph. I'm telling you, it will not make over there. Triangle will come. I'm telling you this is every question. Coordinate will be. Are you following? Yes. How about you? Following now? Dr. Chan,
yes.
what is the prime? Why are you taking this decision alone? Why you are happy with the resume? It's very simple to put the graph. Look, and you got one value now. You what did you do? Why did you take two? Just like you put some value. If you put decimal without decimal 3, you got now. How did you get 3 minus 4 you got? Which is x equal to 3. 24 minus 12 is how much? Why minus 12 plus 12 now? Plus 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 3, no, plus 3, no. See the mistake, no? How much? No, plus 4, minus 4 or plus 4? So why is it minus 4? Be careful. If you get this one, add or subtract this 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Like that, 6, like that. Decimal sometimes it will be confusing. No problem, you do it. You take half up. No fractions, no decimals. Then we do it fast now. I thought you are completed. First 3 points, draw the line. Next 3 points, draw the line. Next 3 points, draw the line. Hurry up. And later, first you complete the, then you, after that you can mark the coordinate. Okay, first make the 3 lines. Then you will come to the otherwise it will cross here, there, all these things. No. Neil, drawn the graph. And where is Anwar? One more third person, where is he? What is Anshul. It will not half I said, and why you are taking here full? Yes, then what? It's not here which one half, otherwise full. Okay. Who is cursing there? But table is made over here now. Completed. Both the lines has to come to -4, then only it will be. Done. What happened? 3 by 4. Why 3 by 4? I don't. What is it? 0,24. It's wrong. How 0,24? 24 by 3. That's 24 by 3 is how much? 8. So write 8 over here. Why are you writing 24 by use this? Madam, why are you taking 3 by 4? Is it 3 by 4? 24 minus. Like 9. Third line, front. Extend. Who got the triangle? Coordinates, vertices. You have to find the vertices, mark the vertices. Name it as ABC.
Sir, is this correct?
It is correct. You this girl, I don't know counting. I
No.
remove take out the space. They remove that space. I can from there I can see there is mistake. You cannot see now. Hello. After see this is what 0 or what? Mark 0. Then what will come 1? Where it will come 1? There. Here. So the here it should be 1 now. Then why it is kept everything? So mistake will come now. See this one first. All of this there are almost everyone completed. No. Hello, yours is wrong. How the graph is coming this
So now
way?
it's okay, not completed.
But even this way the lines are not coming. Hey, yours also is wrong. This is the graph is coming slow.
So now is it correct?
This is the way you are coming.
Sir,
Huh.
now.
Counting 1, 2, 3. I am taking first standard out. Or second standard 1, 2, 3. She is asking it correct. Okay, make it extend. See the point. Check now. Yours is wrong. There is and the it's wrong yeah. Checking what you check the coordinates. This what? Graph now and make 10 graph. See all
So what should I do? My graph is not
Done.
up. We're done.
Shani. Which is the first one? This is the
Zero.
which question? Which one you are doing? First one. This one or this one or this one. First one is made. Huh?
I took the wrong time.
Order. Huh?
I took the wrong time. We're done.
I will sit down there. And then extend it, make the triangle. Where is the triangle? Make all the lines proper. Correct. Extend it. Got vertices. Still problem. We check the value. Your values are wrong. Your addition subtraction mistake. There is no 2 minus 2. How did you get 2? First of all, this itself is wrong. How did you get this one? Can you tell me? Then this is minus y. Where is this minus is gone? This is, I said not if you are changing, take this y to the x side. So what will get? 2x minus 2 is equal to y. Understood or not? So then, therefore, y is equal to 2x minus 2. At least look at the board I have written over there now. You can see only. Then I have to redo everything. Isn't it wrong? So why you have this much space only? And 6 question I will do when I leave. For what? Later you know. You leave that page, next page you should have taken. Understood? The table is wrong. One is for vertices. Do you know what you mean by vertices? Coordinate of the vertices intersect, you go and find out. Pencil. Which is this?
My pencil, I have my pencil.
Small
Can
pencil.
you check my graph?
I'll check. Wait, triangle you got it? Done. Made mistake. And what is it? Coordinate? What is painting is going on? What is this? That's 9. But this is what? Is it 9 or 4 by your friend? 9. This is 4 or 9. I look like me it is 4. It's like 4. No, I got today or something. What is something? I told you 4. Check that. This 4 or 9. This was 4. This also looks like 4. Now we will tell it's understood, sir, after 8:29 will come. Be careful. Okay. That also you made mistake. You are 4 here, right?
No, I wrote 9. I missed this coordinate and I accidentally wrote 7, 8, 10. Yes.
Right? What is this? Please now. Read now. I can't read.
Again, looks like 9.
Arey, you doing for what? Time pass. They write properly, you read in this one, you can see. Check now, let's write it properly. Anyway, you're doing it now, you're right. Cycle coordinate, right? Learn now. But your writings are not, this is not 3 I can see, that 4 is missing something. Understood or not? So write properly so that the person who sees, third person sees, it should be able to see. Otherwise, teacher can just cross it. Teacher is not going to do that. That is why be very careful.
So that-
Like once again, write all the matrices properly. Write properly. I will ask you to someone else to the girls that they will please.
Sir,
Hey, that is wrong.
what?
Matrices, no, you
Oh, right.
matrices is what? -1, -4 or -3 minus?
Minus.
How you
We'll
will
have
have
to get values.
whatever the values are there, vertex intersection should be saying no. Scale is same thing, yes. But
Take. You are the bad one. I.
time over.
Yes, sir.
You.
Yes, sir.
You found the mistake. Third one again. Huh? Where is the third one? Third one is here. This is where is coming. Minus 3 minus. The 3 minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 4 is where? 2 minus 4 is here. Renuka, my dear. Hey, what happened this girl? No, it's wrong. I will tell you what is the wrong. Young. Take what? -1 -4 did you get?
Yes.
Hello, madam. This is not your house. You are in this class only. Then they will, all these people will tell now these girls are talking over here. And from here it's. Is it -1 -4? Sure, I will come and check. What was this point? 3, 4. Oh, and what is this point?
9 minus 4.
9 minus 4. These are the 3 coordinates has to come. Check. If it is not coming, it is not correct. Hello. Show me where is -1 -4.
-1.
Is it the line is passing through that point? This point is called -1 -4. And you are screaming over there. That means your graph is wrong, somewhere still mistake is there. Is it the one? It may be this.
So that's 4.
-1 -4. Sorry, 9 minus. This is not 4. This is 9, -4. What, sir? Huh? How 3.5, 3.5? Your graph is. How it is passing through 0, 0? I don't know, means it's wrong. Which point you?
So this should pass for this one.
It should pass this one.
This point should pass for this one, right? -1.
You check your graph is wrong, your marking is somewhere wrong. First of all, the graph, let me see how many times I have to find your mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now check with the table. Now, what are the values are there? First, this is the second line now. Right, this is the first line, 0. First point is 0, comma minus 2. That is 0. Where, which is, in which line it is there 0, minus 3? Where, from where you got the 0, minus 3? You only know. V2. Okay. Look here, this way, you know, not mark. Coordinates I made, not even plotting it so difficult. Don't need to erase it. Next page you write. We made this table. You made this table. To make it plot it, you have to practice. Because your graph is not even last time also a lot of problems are there. Look here now. Here. This much is done. Now. Hello. Done this much. Name the triangle ABC. So here in the answer, right? You got how many of you got these all vertices? Almost everyone except 3 or 4. Okay, so right below the vertices of the triangle. Vertices of the triangle are A. What is it? 3, 4. B. -1, -4. C. 9, -4. This is the second part. Every part, graph is done, vertices is written. Okay, it should be, your graph should have origin, x-axis, y-axis, all these things should have. And which equation is what, and all these things. Next is, what you have to find out? Over area also now. How do you find the area of the triangle ABC? What is the base? What is the base over here? What is the base over here? Name. BC. So BC is the base and the height is this one. Let's say a perpendicular draw. Now you can see it is parallel means you just take the difference. 11 or 10, 10. It is 10 now. You can count also the squares. Okay, so you can write BC is equal to 10 and AP. AP is equal to how much? Count 8 or what? 8. Yes or no? You can count the squares. 8 is coming. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AP is equal to the value. Put the value half into 10 into 8. How much? 40 square units. Area of the triangle is equal to 40 square units. What happened? What is your problem?
I don't know.
Well, you have Renuka got a problem. Where is speak?
I thought it is D or C.
Huh?
Sorry, D or P.
Which one?
AP.
AP na AP. Okay. This look like D or P. P only na. Okay. Huh? Off the fan. Okay. Done. All right, all of you. Still, lot of people having the problem in the graph. Lot of people have the problem in handwriting. Writing means it should be legible. You cannot improve your handwriting. Okay, whatever handwriting. When I come and read means lot of people, not only 1 or 2. 4 is like 9, -2 is -1. This one and your paper, where the paper goes, you know where is the what paper is correcting. Nobody knows. Even maybe other district or other state also it goes. And later you cannot tell. So if they cross means you will get a Xerox from each cross from you. Okay, then they will see. It's also wrong. So you have to think that always when writing, see that a third person should be my paper. School life, I can go to a teacher like that. See, it is more of this mark. Finally, you clear argument, teacher will give us a but after the exam, you got it prepare. Okay. Now, practice those of facing difficulty, you have to practice the graph. Generally, one graph question comes. Listen now, graph I will stop I need the graph for till the end of this chapter, you have to carry the graph. In between, I will. So difficult to carry, you can maybe with LP.
Sir, it gets, over very fast.
Huh?
It gets over very fast.
We are not using downward. Is it so expensive, graph book? Is it graph book is expensive? Yes or no? That also no. What is the cost of the graph book? 50 rupees. And how many pages? 46. Oh,
Nine.
Yes, sir, 46.
9 rupees. Chalo, listen. All of you listen. Yeah. Later. Now we have done solving. One method is called solve graphically. What is the meaning of solve? Find the what answer? What solution? Value of variables which satisfy one equation or both equations. Here both equation means find the value of the variable. So solving is done. So one method, what is the method? Graphically. Or we close the graph. Okay. Now you have to practice the graph. Now look here. This graphical method is not easy because you have to draw the graph coordinates. We are going to learn by different algebraic methods. Algebraic methods one by one. Basically, you have 3 methods, but out of 3, 2 only you have. Okay. One, listen. Listen. Now, the methods are coming. One is called substitution method, and the second one is called elimination method. Okay, you know about the methods. Who is the test?
Not the elimination.
You know substitution method, but you don't know. Listen. There are 2 methods we are going to do. Just now we have done the question. I will take that 2 questions. 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And the second one, it is coming as 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. These 2 equations you have to solve it by which method we are going to do it? Substitution method. Okay. Substitute. Word itself substitution means we have to substitute something. Okay. So what you do means look at all of you. Listen carefully. There are 2 equations are given, 1 and 2 equations. Listen, take any one of the equation. Those who like first equation, take first equation. Second equation, take second equation. Now, which one? Now you will ask, sir, which one to be taken? Which is the simplest equation that I take always? Which is the simplest equation? 2x minus y. It's not necessarily always first equation simpler, then it is okay. So I took from 1. 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. After this one, either express x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Now that you have to decide. So what is easier way to do it? Huh? Y in terms of x or x in terms of y? It's easier in y in terms of x. That is because the fraction function, it will avoid fractions. 2x minus 2 is equal to y. Now look here, I have seen from 2 people in the graph book. When you shift, if you are going to shift, don't write y is equal to 2 minus 2x. Is it correct or wrong? What is the mistake? Minus y. That is why it's better to shift that minus them to the other side. Therefore, confusion will be less. That means y is equal to 2x minus 2. Okay, so you got the value of y. We will substitute this in the next equation. Which is the next equation? You will write substituting in equation 1, 2. So replace. So what do you get? 4x plus 3 times. What is it? 2x minus 2 minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore, it become linear equation in one variable. That you know how to solve now. How will you solve? Remove all the brackets, collect the variables in one side, constant to the other side. So all the bracket we remove, 4x plus 6x. Yes or no? Minus 6 minus 24 equal to 0. That is 10x minus 30. Therefore, 10x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 by 10, which is equal to how much? 3. You got x equal to 3. Now, this value of x, you substitute in any one of the equation. Substituting in one. Or if you have to substitute over here, so substituting in one. You remember, you have to find out both the values, not only x, y also. Substitute what we get here? 2 times 3 minus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, what we get? 6 minus 2 is equal to 1. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. Is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 4. The solution is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. Both the lines were intersecting at the same point only. When they draw 3, 4 was the solution now. So this is called which method? Substitution method. Method is clear? Okay, what is the process? I will repeat once again. What is the first thing? There are 2 equations will be given. Consider which equation? Well, easier one. Then express either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. What else you do? Substitute that in the next equation. So one variable is gone. Then after that you can get the value first variable, then substitute, you'll get the second variable. Okay, all of you, not follow. You are having it out. Follow now. Okay, so right, heading right. Substitution method. Substitution method. Substitution method. Theory and all no need to write, okay? We are going to do the sums. Listen carefully. Somewhere you will see elimination by substitution method. So previously it's actually it was elimination. See, we are eliminating one variable by substitution. That is a real name. So now it is made as substitution method. Okay. Now, so we are going to do it. I'll give one question. Yes. Now next is here. When I did the question, answers come without fractions and all. Answer can be fraction, answer can be positive, negative, 0, there is no problem. Okay, yes.
So the answer is a fraction, but we have to
Keep in the answer in fraction simplest form. Cancel the common factor and simplest form. No need to convert into decimal. If you convert decimal also, no problem. Okay.
The equation is in the form of a parallel line.
Then you will not get any solution now. I will, that all will come. Okay, first let's learn how it is a substitution method. That also I will give you example, even all infinite solution comes. I will show you. Okay, do it all of you. 2x plus y is equal to 6. 5x minus 6y is equal to 8. So you have to solve. Should I solve or you can solve? Okay, try to solve. Answers may be in fraction or without fraction. Quite a lot of cancellations are coming. You cutting, lot of cuttings are doing. So difficult, huh?
No, writing y instead of x.
You got one value, substitute that in the other one. Get the value for the variable also. You have to find both answers. Fraction finding difficulty, no problem. So follow this out. Different answers are given. This equation of unique solution, no solution, infinite solution.
Unique solution.
How do you know?
Because of the ratio A.
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, no? So unique solution means all should get the same solution, no? It's look like infinite solution only, because all are getting different answers. So look here. First one, listen carefully. Now identify your mistake. All of you must have done from 1 y is equal to 6 minus 2x. I think everyone must have done. Substitute. Listen, substitute in equation 2. So what do you get? 5x minus 6 times 6 minus 2x is equal to 8. Therefore 5x minus 36 plus 12x is equal to 8. There are 3, 4 I's in this one. That is 17x is equal to 8 plus 36. How much? 44. Then 44. Therefore, x is equal to 44 by 17. I have seen there are 3, 4 people got there are
So I have like 8, I did 5x minus 6, bracket 6 minus 2x, minus
X.
8, minus 8 is equal to 0. It's
So-
a sentence type.
so what's different answer?
Yes, sir.
If minus 8 to the here, minus 8 will go to the other side, plus 8 will come now.
No, I'm gonna 8.
Array, my dear, if you are writing minus 8 equal to 0, then what is the problem? If you write again minus 8 equal to 0, then what is the problem? Minus 36 minus 8 is minus 44 now. Huh? What difference it makes? Same thing only. Check the mistake, identify, addition, subtract. There are a lot, see, minus 44 by 17 got, some are got 28 by 7 got, some are getting this one, different answers getting. Okay, this one got. Now what did you do? This value will substitute in one of the equation. Okay, substitute in one is easy. 2 times 44 divided by 17 plus y is equal to 6. 44 times 2 is what? 88 by 17 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 88 by 17. 17 6 are much 1088 2. 02 na? Okay, 102 minus 88 is how much? 40 upon 17. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 44 by 17, y is equal to 14 by 7. I think some of you got the answer. Yes. Be careful in calculations. One sign here and there means everything. Teacher's work is, well, you know, this is 3-mark question. What teacher do? Check this out. If it is correct means almost 100% it is correct. All the steps are correct, full mark. If it is some mistake means, if this is mistake means 100% the other value will be wrong. So put 0, sorry, put cross, and maximum out of 3 you may get only at the maximum 1. So you have to be careful. One value is correct means yes, 1 mark, and the second value is maximum 1.5. So be very careful when doing the sums. Okay, understood all of you?
Yes.
I can give the fraction. So it can come the answers in fraction, without fraction. Okay, one more I'll give. Okay, 2x plus y equal to 6. Okay, 2x plus y equal to 6. Written, and 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus y equal to 6 and 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Simple one I given. All together you should complete in 1 minute. So it's very simple. Not. That's people for So, first from one, you all of you must have taken y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Substitute in 2, therefore only get 2x minus in bracket 6 minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. 2x minus 6 plus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. 4x minus 4. 4x is equal to 4, x is equal to 1. Hope all of you got it. Substitute in any one. So 2 times 1 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 2. X equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Over. Easy enough? Fractions are not there means even homework is what? Complete your exercise. Take 3.2. How many questions already done or 6 questions? How many done already? 6 remaining. 3.2 complete. Okay, so next class complete the homework is complete. Those are not done, that also complete.